Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome in my YouTube channel Noor in Calligraphy. Hope you are fine and doing good at your home. So in today's video we are going to write Alhamdulillah. Yes, Alhamdulillah, for which we have used Tom's watercolor, which are not so expensive. You know what, it costs only 50 rupees. They are available easily in the market. For the start, firstly spread some water on the canvas, so that if we color them we don't need to dip water again and again. First we will choose black color in the bottom and spread like this. Then red color and used a little smoke of black in it. Spread the color like this. For enhancing the beauty we will use vibrant yellow color as well. And after that, to give a new color, I add some black and white color, mix it well and make a new color which comes out as little gray. And to make a contrast, I add a white on the border line of yellow. Once the color get dry, I sketch using simple pencil and write Alhamdulillah. See, here we go. It is done now. Then use simple beautiful white color. After all, the white is the color of peace. And look here, it is Alhamdulillah. So my friends, this is how you can make a beautiful canvas with simple and easy steps at the comfort of your home. Thank you for watching.